Tata Capital Limited Q3 FY26 results, PAT surges to 790 crore रुपए following IPO success. Tata Capital Limited has announced its financial results for the third quarter of FY26, showcasing strong operational resilience and the successful integration of its recent strategic initiatives. The company reported a standalone net profit of 789.86 crore rupees for the quarter, up from 660.61 crore rupees in the previous quarter. For the 9-month period ending December 31, 2025, the net profit reached 2018.55 crore rupees. A major highlight of this period was the initial public offering (IPO) of the company. Tata Capital allotted 21 crore fresh equity shares on October 9, 2025, at an issue price of 326 rupees per share. This move successfully augmented the company's Tier I capital base by 6,696.60 crore rupees, providing a massive war chest for future capital requirements and onward lending. Revenue from operations for the quarter stood at 5,783.28 crore rupees, primarily driven by interest income of 5,219.64 crore rupees. The company's total income reached 5,786.08 crore rupees. On the expense side, finance costs were managed at 2,678.12 crore rupees, while the company proactively accounted for impairment on financial instruments amounting to 753.48 crore rupees. The results also reflect the successful amalgamation of Tata Motors Finance Limited, TMFL, into Tata Capital, which was effective from April 1, 2024. This merger has created a significantly larger financing entity, with segment revenue from financing activity contributing the lion's share of 5,607.53 crore rupees to the quarterly total. Tata Capital reported an exceptional item of 36.15 crore rupees during the quarter. This non-recurring charge relates to the incremental impact of the newly notified Government of India Labour Codes, reflecting the company's commitment to proactive regulatory compliance. The company's balance sheet remains exceptionally strong, with assets under management for the financing segment reaching 1.81 lakh rupees crore. The debt-to-equity ratio improved significantly to 3.95 times, down from 5.30 times in the previous fiscal year, thanks to the massive equity infusion from the IPO. With its newly listed status and a fortified capital base, Tata Capital is well positioned to capture growth opportunities in India's expanding credit market. The company continues to demonstrate high-quality asset management, reporting zero deviations in the utilization of its IPO and non-convertible debenture (NCD) proceeds. In conclusion, Q3 FY26 has been a transformative quarter for Tata Capital. From a successful market debut to record-breaking capital infusion and steady profit growth, the company is proving to be a powerhouse in the Indian NBFC sector. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.